So I'm going to demonstrate how to play this Tehai for Kirtan. This is a 2-beat Tehai, or for Lofa Tal, like in Damodarastakam. So the mantra, it goes da thene thene nake thene thene ta thene thene ta thene thene thene, and one more time, ta thene thene ta thene 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 ta terekhe ta terekhe ta terekhe ta. So ta terekhe is done 3 times. Thene, and then ta terekhe 3 times, and then 1 extra ta. So da thene thene nake thene thene ta thene thene ta thene 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 ta thene thene ta thene 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 thene, or you could do both sides, thene thene ta terekhe ta terekhe ta terekhe ta. So I'll break it up. We have da thene thene nake thene thene. This is the first part. Da thene thene nake thene thene. Da thene thene nake thene thene. Second part. Ta thene thene ta thene. And we add extra. Thene thene. Ta thene thene ta thene thene thene. Ta thene thene ta thene thene thene. This part will be done twice. Then the third part, thene ta terekhe ta terekhe ta terekhe ta. Thene ta terekhe ta terekhe ta terekhe ta. Thene ta terekhe ta terekhe ta terekhe ta. Okay, now the full thing. Da thene thene nake thene thene ta thene thene ta thene 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 ta thene thene ta thene 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 tete ta terekhe ta terekhe ta terekhe ta. Da thene thene nake thene thene ta thene 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 ta thene thene ta thene 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 ta terekhe ta terekhe ta terekhe ta. Da thene thene nake thene thene ta thene thene ta thene thene ta thene thene ta thene 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 ta terekhe ta terekhe ta terekhe ta. Da thene thene nake thene thene ta thene thene ta thene 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 ta thene thene ta thene 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 ta terekhe ta terekhe ta terekhe ta. So this has to add up to 24 beats. If I count it on my fingers. Da thene thene nake thene thene ta thene thene ta thene 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 ta thene thene ta thene 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 ta terekhe ta terekhe ta terekhe ta. Da di di da di na na da te 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 ta ta ti na na. So there you have it. Okay. Now I'll demonstrate how this is played in Kirtan, and I'll give a link in the description to this Kirtan. This is a Kirtan done in Chicago on Janmastami. Do it again along with them. play again. So like that. It's a little hard to hear what the Kirtan players are doing, but that's basically what they're doing. Okay? Thank you very much. Let me know if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. I hope you found this helpful. Very well.